Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you FurLife Collar review. FurLife Flea Collar claims to be a chemical-free solution for protecting pets from fleas and ticks. But it's really effective, or just another scam? Let's break it down. Starting with the pros, the collar uses natural essential oils like citronella, cedarwood, and rosemary, offering more organic approach. It's also waterproof, so your pet can bathe without removing it. And it comes with an adjustable fit for pets of various sizes, plus a money back guarantee if you're not satisfied. However, there are some drawbacks. Many users report limited effectiveness, saying the collar doesn't fully repel or eliminate fleas and ticks. Some pets experience skin irritation or allergic reactions, and there are also complaints about slow shipping and poor customer service. Overall, while the Fur Life Flea Collar provides a natural alternative, the mixed reviews and questionable results suggest it might not be the most dependable option. If you're considering it, consult your vet first to find the safest and most effective solution for your pet. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.